I'm Vicky Delajoyo. I've been thinking a lot lately about the idea of how circles open to become spirals. What I mean by that is how in our lives we can kind of repeat the same thing again and again, kind of circling the drain of old ways of being. Certain stimulus or relationships or interactions thrust us into an old reaction and we kind of get stuck in it, and that when we bring a certain level of awareness to that, we can break open to a whole new rung of the spiral. And so even if that pattern comes back around again, our internal reaction to it or the ways in which we respond to it is different. So we've moved out of being a victim to this to a new place of awareness and consciousness and better choices. So for me, I injured my shoulder about 4 months ago. I was in a boot camp and very enthusiastically injured my shoulder using a band. I kind of ignored it for a while. I just I didn't think much of it. It didn't hurt that bad. And every morning I think, today it's going to be better. But it was actually getting worse and worse, and I ended up with a frozen shoulder, so I was barely able to move it at all. Well, I started to talk to myself about how I'm just too old and you shouldn't have done that. You should have been more mindful. And I was just dumping more injuries on top of the injury until finally I thought stop and began to ask myself, what do I need to do to shift it? I began to do some deep stretching, more Qigong, using my Beamer, which is this wonderful healing technology that stimulates blood flow and increases the energy production in your body to help it heal itself quickly. I've also examined all the different patterns, thought about the spiritual, emotional connection of like, what does it mean for me to have I been closing my heart or not expressing myself out in the world enough, or have I been carrying too much burden on my shoulders? All of these different types of explorations as I've healed, and it's actually gotten better and better, so that I'd actually say I'm close to 85 or 90% healed in my shoulder now, which is enormous relief, and feels like I've kind of gotten myself back again. Do you ever have patterns of behavior that you do and then you bring a certain awareness to it and it shifts, and then that pattern comes back around again and you find you're able to do something different, that you've changed your reality? Leave a comment below.